Welcome, you're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On the 20th of March, the Retreat House El Cenaculo La Montanera in the city of Pilar welcomed the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artume, the members of the General Council and the Salesians who had come from the countries of the America South Cone region, that is Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Paraguay and Uruguay, to give life to the team visit. The 100 or so Salesians experienced a day of greetings, fraternal encounters and dialogue, and prepared to begin the first day of the team visit, which begins on Tuesday, March 21st. Salesian missionaries are providing psychological support for youth at Don Bosco Child Protection Center in Ashaiman, Ghana. The counseling is supported by the Salesian-run International Voluntary Service (VIS) and ensures children and their families receive the help they need for family reintegration. The counseling helps youth gain insight and understanding about why they are at the center and supports them in choosing good behaviors. Youth are also provided counseling to explore the future aspirations, along with encouragement to study hard and take advantage of the lessons provided at the center. Those who do well in classroom education are taught in the local dialect. Youth who do not excel in school receive training in work like fishing and farming with a chance to see what fits them. The psychological counseling supports both groups of students in finding the path that works best for them. The provincial delegates for social communication of the Central and North Europe region met online on the 16th of March to continue coordinating their work and their mission. Father Marcin Wusik, the coordinator for this region, together with Father Masij Makula, a member of the General Social Communication Sector, chaired the meeting. Each delegate had the opportunity to share the work being done within their respective province, together with some difficulties. Different ideas on how to work more together followed, with a discussion on a possible meeting later this year. Each region of the Salesian congregation operates on the basis of the Communication Sector Planning 2020-26 approved by the General Council. The planning includes the processes and lines of action relevant to the general vision of the Salesian congregation in the field of social communication. At the Salesian Institute, Pius XI, the meeting of the World Council of the Association of Salesian Cooperators was held from March 16 to 19, 2023. The meeting was attended by world councillors from the 11 regions into which the association is divided, regions that group a total of 102 nations. Various topics engaged the participants during these days. In the first moment, they reflected personally and as a group on the report presented by Dr. Pierluigi Dovis, Director of Caritas de Susana of Turin, during the roundtable discussion held in the Salesian Family Spirituality Days held in Valdoco last January 12 to 15th. The council then visited the Basilica of the Sacred Heart to learn about particular aspects of Don Bosco's presence in Rome. For more than 2 years, because of war, the communication and animation of the 4 Salesian communities in the north of Ethiopia were terminated. At the beginning of November 2022, a peace agreement was signed between the federal government of Ethiopia and the regional government of Tigray, and following the agreement some access and the possibility to visit have been allowed, even though a lot more is still to be done. The Provincial Council has thus decided to make the Provincial Council meeting of March in the north and visit all 4 communities. The following is an account of this trip. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.